Okay, second graders, today in math, we're going to take the Topic 11 assessment. So I'm going to read each problem, and then if there are extra little details or notes that I want to tell you to make the problem a little bit more understandable, I'll tell you that, and then you can pause and then move on to the next problem. So you can each kind of go at your own pace. All right, here we go. This is on page 683 of your math book. So you can tear that page out and we'll get started. Number 1 says, which equals 100 less than 763? Choose all that apply. So you're going to look at all 4 of those options and tell if it equals 100 less than 763. If it does, fill in the box. If it does not, just leave it empty. Number 2 says, the open number line below shows subtraction. Complete the equation. Write the numbers being subtracted and the difference. So you're going to, first in the first line right here, you're going to write what number did they start with. Then you're going to write how much did they subtract? How much did they hop back? And here, what did they end on? What should they end on? Number 3 says, is the difference equal to 462? Choose yes or no. Use different strategies to subtract. You know what, second graders, it says use different strategies to subtract, but you can show your work or you can do your work somewhere else. So if you want to use the same strategy all 4 times, that's okay. But you're going to solve each of these equations someplace there's not much white space here, so you might need a scratch paper. And if it is equal to 462, you're going to fill in yes. If it is not equal, you're going to fill in the circle before no. Number 4 says, there are 537 boys and 438 girls at a concert. How many more boys than girls are at the concert? Okay, so not how many are there altogether. How many more boys are there? So 438 plus what equals 537? And after you finish with that problem, we're going to turn the page over. And now we're on page 684. And it says, number 5, show how to add up on an open number line to find 740 minus 490. Then write the difference below. So if you're adding up, it means you're starting on this side and you're adding on to get to the bigger number, and then how much did you have to add on is the difference. Number 6 says, look at your work in item 5. Why can you use adding up on an open number line to find 740 minus 490? Choose all that apply. Okay, so they're asking us, like, why does this strategy work? And let's listen to these reasons, and if this is true, fill in the box. And if it's not true, just leave it empty. You can always add up to subtract on an open number line. You can't always add up to subtract on an open number line. An open number line helps you break apart numbers to subtract. An open number line should be used for any type of problem. And number 7, use the numbers on the cards to find the missing numbers in the subtraction problem. Use the place value models to help. Write the missing numbers. Okay, so they showed you here already that you have to regroup. So after you cross one of these out, how many are going to be left? You're going to take one of these cards and you're going to move that here. And then after that, you're going to draw 10 more ones. or maybe you just already know what 14 minus 7 is. But you need to use these 4 cards in, now I notice there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots, so that means that one of those spots isn't going to have a card, isn't going to have a number. After you use a card, cross it out so you remember you used it. Great job, second graders!